Good morning, Luxy Vlog. I'm Zoe. I'm the social media manager at Luxy, and today we're doing the Dimensional Blonde shoot. Come behind the scenes with me. We're shooting at a beach house, and it's gonna be a really fun day. This is what breakfast looks like on set. We've got lots of options. It's gonna be a super busy day. Myra's currently working. She's grabbing the shot list. She's grabbing the run of show. It's gonna be really fun.
I want.
I haven't done an update all day, but we've been shooting. We're at the beach. We're at the Malibu beach house. We got some really great shots. Currently we're at the beach and it's such a beautiful day, but everybody is so busy. I can't wait for you guys to see these shots. How are you feeling about the shoot?